So hello everyone, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Algebra. So today in this video, I'm going to discuss some conceptual questions which is related to matrix multiplication. So look at the first question. The question number 1: if A is an M cross N matrix and B is P cross Q matrix, under what condition is the product AB will be defined? That means the question says what? We need to find a condition under which AB, the product of these two matrices A and B, will be defined. Here the size of the first matrix is M cross N and the size of the second matrix is P cross Q. It means what? The first matrix has M rows and N columns, and the second matrix has P rows and Q columns. And the answer is, so look at the solution, and the answer is N equal to P. That is, if numbers of columns of A is equal to, so numbers of rows of the second matrix B, then AB will be defined. In that case, the matrix multiplication will be defined. Okay, so let's move to the second question. So in the second question, we have given what? Is the matrix multiplication of two matrices is commutative? So give an example. So that means they ask what? So what the commutative property says, if we consider two matrices, say the first matrix is A and the second matrix is B. So the commutative property says we need to check what? AB equal to BA. If it is so, then we can say that the matrix multiplication will be commutative. So but in general, so look at the solution here. In general, so AB is not equal to BA. To justify this our answer, so we need to give an example. So let us take an example. So let A equal to 1 0 0 0 and B equal to say 0 1 0 0. Now, so let us compute AB. So AB will be what? So I'm going to write the answer directly. You just calculate it. Okay, so this will gives what? 0 1 0 0. And BA, if you compute BA, so it will gives us what? So B is what? 0 1 0 0 and A is what? 1 0 0 0. And from here, after multiplying these two matrices, what we are going to have? 0 0. So we observed what? AB not equal to BA. So therefore matrix multiplication is not commutative. Okay, so in this way we can answer this type of